Hello everybody and welcome to the Dispersal Hut. Thanks for joining me. Today we're heading out in Yak52 Golf Victor Whiskey. This is a sortie from Fenland. So lining up on 08, the grass runway here at Fenland, heading out to the east. So pre-takeoff checks done, open the throttle, 100% power. And watch the speed this aircraft gets airborne is fairly fantastic. 130 kilometers an hour. Squeeze the brakes, gear up, and we begin our climb, aiming for 170 to 200 kilometers an hour to keep the cylinder heads cool. This is a local area aerobatic sortie, so we're heading out towards the Long Sutton area, where we're going to put the aircraft through its paces, a few aerobatic manoeuvres, working out a routine for an air display. This aircraft's available from Cuban and from Fenland for training for complex type superchargers and aerobatic ratings should you be a pilot license holder and wish to do these extra ratings for your license. So here we are beginning the aerobatic sequence. Our checks are complete, ASL checks, height, airframe, security, engine, location and lookout. Nicely over the fens and increasing our power to aerobatic power and tipping in for the first manoeuvre. Speeds up at 350 kilometers an hour as we pull up into our first manoeuvre. It's going to be a loop. Around 4 Gs here, topping over the top, easing the back pressure to make a nice round loop and applying that back pressure up again to about 4 Gs as we come out the bottom. Checking our height, checking our airspeed, in for our second manoeuvre. This is a quarter Clover, 90-degree roll on the up. As we roll out of the loop the other way, the line we're flying is at 90 degrees to us, we're flying away from the line we're just on. Pull up again to do another one of those. Got our airspeed, got our altitude checks. 90-degree roll and finish the loop. So now displace down our line by a couple of 100 meters. Checking altitude, checking engine temperatures and pressures, airspeeds and stringing the manoeuvres together. This is a half Cuban, so a roll after half loop. So half a loop and then a roll back. 45-degree downline, picking up our speed again. As we sit ourselves in a nice stall turn. So that's 90 degrees nose up, and about 160, 150 kilometers an hour. We kick the rudder over, balancing the aircraft. It is prone to spin here, and just feeding the airplane through the stall turn. Into another half Cuban. You can see the lovely straight road just below the nose there, flying up and down the line feature. Wing over to position back onto our original line, where we did the 2 quarter Clovers. We're now flying back down this straight ditch feature, so offsetting those 2 fields to the right now. Checking altitude, checking engine temperatures and pressures, airspeed's good. Straightforward loop. The orange light on the dashboard is warning us that the gyro compass just doesn't know which way up it is, so don't trust the compass at this point, which we don't need anyway, as we fly half Cuban. So we now reverse to 180 degrees again, flying back down the line. And at that point, the camera stopped recording. So here we are later, rejoining Fenlands. We're late downwind, the gear is down. We're doing a semi-curved approach onto final factor 08. So So speed is back below 200 kilometers now. I'm looking for 160 at this stage. Get the flaps out and begin the approach into Fenland. Many people struggle to see the airfield at Fenland. If you don't know what you're looking for, it's a lovely green field amongst the green fields. So doing my puff checks there. Prop, undercarriage, fuel and flaps. My final approach checks. And you'll see me do that again at short final. It's just the double check to make sure I have actually put the gear down. I have got the prop full forward in case of a go around. I've done the fuel and flaps. So short final now to 08. The speed is 160 kilometers an hour. Perfect long glide for the Yak. Checking the glide path, there's a copse of trees below. It's nicely over the top. Glide in and flare. Do hope you enjoyed this Yak52 video. Short one for today, but just an insight into operating this from the grass airfield at Fenland. Do like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, comment below, and I hope to see you at Fenland or Tibenham. Thanks very much for watching.